Guangzhou Shengda Electronics Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise specializing in the research, development, and global marketing of automotive lighting products. With 16 years of export experience, our brand UGGV is recognized worldwide for quality, innovation, and reliability. We offer a wide range of automotive lighting solutions, including LED headlights, LED motorcycle lights, LED working lights, halogen bulbs, LED projectors, LED camber systems, LED taillight, xenon bulb, HID ballast, and other 300 models. UGGV is certified with CE and RoHS standards and holds over 30 design patents and relative quality control certificates. With our interconnected factory Fujizn, our modern production facilities and strict quality control systems ensure that every product meets high performance and safety standards. Trusted by customers around the world, we are proud to serve markets in the United States, Mexico, Russia, the EU, Dubai, Japan, Indonesia, Venezuela, and many more. Our advantages as follow: firstly, fast delivery. Secondly, competitive pricing. Thirdly, support OEM and ODM. Fourthly, free services on custom laser logo, packaging design, light design, and samples. Fifthly, professional research and development tech team. Sixthly, excellent global after-sales service. With AI tech and our great working team, our UGGV lights always keep on real-time authorization. Wherever you're from and wherever you're headed, UGGV is here to light the way. We're proud to be your trusted partner in the business world. Your support, our supply, let us build brilliance together.